Hi, this is from Knowledge Power. Today we are going to see how to apply for CMC Vellore for postgraduate diploma in family medicine. CMC Vellore. CMC Vellore is a
And Google search and enter CMC value. It will go to the CMC main page and click on student. Then click on apply for course. Then click on apply for distance education course. Click on second column for application for postgraduate diploma in family medicine. Then read on eligibility criteria, program details, and course components and contact centers. Any country can apply for this course. Program no entrance exam for this course. Course duration is 2 years. Course fee Indian citizen residing in 90,000. Then click on admission bulletin. Read all details thoroughly. For course duration is 2 years. Eligibility criteria, read it. There is no entrance examination for this course. Selection process. Weightage in selection will be given to those who have served or serving in areas of need. Work experience in rural area for more than 10 years. Women candidates. Then read all the details. Course components. Payments. Payment of fee in installments. You can pay fee in installments also. Application fee will be 1000 rupees for Indian resident candidates. Scholarship also applied for those who are willing to work. Those who are willing to work in the mission hospitals, the candidate requesting a scholarship are required to undertake to work for a period of at least 1 year in a mission hospital. This 1 year period of service should be carried out during the course period between August 2022 July 2022. Submission of application online application process. The application would be course available online on the college admission page web page. The following required documents to be uploaded: soft copy of photograph, soft copy of scanned certificates for Indian candidates, MBBS degree certificate, medical council certificate or MCI medical council certificate needed. Scanned copy of signature. Mode of payment will be online. Last date for submit of application. Submit the application is 17th August 2020. Those who are working in areas of need fill the form shown in Annex 2 and send to CMC Vellore through mail. Read on feedback from our alumni page. Then come back to application page. Click on the fill application form. Are you currently enrolled in any CMC distance education course? I am not enrolled in any distance education course, so I am giving no. You give according to you. Nationality, I am giving Indian resident. Then click on next page. Enter your name of the candidate and your father's name. Female candidate can enter your husband's name. Fill on permanent address. If the permanent address is same, then click on yes. Enter your email, phone number and date of birth, gender. Enter your religion, mother of tongue, and enter your Aadhaar card number, PAN number, marital status. Enter your details of academic training starting from MBBS and your work experience after MBBS. Fill that form. And then fill details of needed area work experience. Are you in clinical practice? I am not in clinical practice, so I am entering no. Then give you brief details about why do you want to join this course. The selection process based on this also. Have you applied for course earlier? I am entering no. Then upload all the documents. Then enter your signature. Give declaration. Then application fee will be 1,000. Select your payment mode, credit card and net banking. Choose net banking for smooth payment. Then submit and continue to payment. Confirmation mail will be sent by CMC Vellore. Thank you for watching video.